Hello parents, my name is Ms. Burse, William T. Bryant Elementary School's parent facilitator, and today I am giving you a refresher on plant cells. If I'm correct, your 4th or 5th graders will be studying plant cells as well as animal cells, which there is a video already for that. But today we are going to refresh on plant cells. I know parents, it's been a long time for that, but hey, we really need to be on top of this and help our young people with their studies. So let us begin. What is a plant cell? Plant cells are all plants are made of different kinds of cells. This drawing right here shows a typical plant cell and the structures inside of it. Plant cells have the same structure as animal cells, but plant cells also have two other structures, and we'll talk about them. So, let us look at the diagram today of plant cells. If you notice, they're very colorful, so I can highlight the different structures and what they do. This is so when you're reviewing with your young person that you pretty much have a general idea of what these items do. Right here, we have the cell wall. This is the outer portion right here. And what the cell wall does is the outer covering of a plant cell. Kind of sort of like our skin is the outer covering of our body. So the cell wall right here is the outer covering. That is the outer covering of the plant cell. Now we have the cell membrane. That's like the inner portion right here of the cell wall, and it surrounds the cell. So it's like a double layer. We then have the chloroplasm, which makes food for plants, and it holds chlorophyll. That's these little red dots that I've so kindly made for this. You have the cytoplasma, which is a jelly-like suit that fills the cell. So all this empty space in here, that's the cytoplasma, all this in here. The nucleus controls everything. Right here, it's like the brain. Our brain controls everything, along with our heart. But the brain, it controls everything. The nucleus tells everybody and everything what to do. The nucleus. Then we have the mitochondria. That's these little colorful things. I like to think of them as like little worms. They are the powerhouse of the cell. It releases energy. Kind of sort of like our heart is the powerhouse of our body, and we need the blood to keep pumping. So that is the mitochondria. I put the little pronunciation right here. Again, this is the powerhouse of the cell, and it releases energy. And we have the vacuoles. It's the storage cells. What that does is it stores water and nutrients. Okay, so like a little warehouse, and it stores up things, so when it needs something, the vacuoles will make that happen. So, quick review again, parents. Plant cells. We have the cell membrane that surrounds the cell. We have the cell wall. That's the outer covering of the plant cells. We have the chloroplasm, which makes food for plants and holds chlorophyll. Makes it green. The cytoplasma is the jelly-like suit that fills the cell. That's all that empty space in here. The nucleus controls everything, like the brain. Then we have the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, releases energy, kind of like our heart, powerhouse of our body, or think of the Energizer Bunny and the battery. And then we have the vacuoles. It's the storage cell. It stores water and nutrients, almost like a warehouse. So, that completes our refresher today, parents, on plant cells. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Again, my name is Miss Yolanda Burse. If you have any questions or suggestions, please email me at yolandaburse@ccs.k12.nc.us. Have a great day.